Okay, so I'm going to use the line 315, no PA this time. I'm going to attach this guy here. Remember, when I start cutting, if I'm feeding in this direction, so the line will be cutting probably coming from here or here. Okay, so that will be the hard part on this one, because maybe clips or something will be stuck in with the line right there. Make sure you are completely touching inside corner. So just gonna put it over here. I need to remove the protectors. I will remove that one later. Right there, and the last one on the top. Okay, and I remember we feed in. The line is used, but I think it's gonna be okay. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. It's almost brand new. So let's open the corner a little bit. Just make sure we are completely behind the glass. Okay? The line, get it. And make a double hook, remember. Give me just 1 second, guys. I think my phone is ringing. Okay, guys, let's gonna continue. Just make sure the line is complete inside. In this area, my line is a little older. And we're gonna anchor in this area. In this case, here is not a big deal, okay? The anchor never make problems because it's only pulling or holding and nothing else. Okay, let me get the drill. Let's see, guys, because I was using that guy yesterday. That's right. Remember, we're second speed. We're gonna go slow, okay? Really slow. You can hold on this side, you don't have to hold in. Remember, we already pre-cut this area, so it will be a little more easy to go through. See, there's nothing here, there's nothing pulling in it. There you go, you can start hearing those little noises. let it play. Now as soon as you pass this area, you can feel the line is making the cut here. It's going to start appearing a cutting here or here. In this case, you see the line is coming in. The only problem we have is really short. We gotta move the system, but it's more easy now because it's pre-cut already. That's it, because if you continue, you're gonna make a damage right there. Okay. Now we're gonna move the anchor on this guy. Remember, you see, it's completely with no damage. Now we're gonna attach here. Right here. It's not going to make any damage because it's already pre-cut both sides. This one is cut, this one is cut. It's not really too much problem with the suction cup. Right. There you go. The line will be continue making the cut. The system is not forcing anything, so you don't have any problem about the dance or something. Just let it play. Take a look inside every time. Just you know, make sure you don't catch the trims or the moldings, the C-pillars, and don't make any damage. So you see it's coming really easy. So we can take these ones off, this one's off, this one we're gonna lift like that. You see, even when this guy is not make the drill come this way, it's not much force. This one you have to be aware about and watch out every time, or you can make damage because this guy's coming this way. I'm really careful with these guys because they are really difficult sometimes, you see? And it's nothing, it's completely intact. Now here, if you want, you can change the position working out backwards. You can take this one and the other side. Let me see if I can make another look. I got this guy out. Or you can even finish the cut using the handles if you want, okay? Because they only have to do is pull this direction, as they only have to cut this little piece, and that's it. So if you want, let me show you how can you use your handles. If in case you don't want to be emboldened, figure it out. So now if you don't want to be emboldened, figure it out, or repeat in the line, change the spicer heat or the anchor heat. It's really easy. Just this guy has to just refit in again, so don't worry. So we're gonna use the handle. Okay, and now just make sure your line is inside. Careful with this area. You can take this one up. We can leave this one. Okay, and make sure it's tight, and finish the cut. And you see the line, it's only a little piece, but remember we already pre-cut this area. As you see, I'm cutting, you see, it's almost losing, but I'm cutting under the urethane, so that's why I should be finished already, but I am under the urethane still. You see? And that's all, guys. then you get your quarter glass out.